Totally refurbished and redesigned from top to bottom is this turnkey 5-bed, 5-bath, semi-detached family home here at the bottom of the Isle of Dogs in Canary Wharf. We're moments from Canary Wharf, Island Gardens DLR and the Greenwich Foot Tunnel. I'm Chris from Movely. Come on in, take a look around. The house has been carefully reconstructed over the course of a year. The owners have thought really carefully about making the home as energy efficient as possible. They've taken the walls right back, added the best insulation possible. Downstairs we have underfloor heating throughout, and in each of the rooms you've got hot and cold aircon units. They've even lowered the ground floor to make sure they maintain the ceiling height on each of the floors, where they've added the loft extension and this side extension that we're in here now with the bifold doors out to the garden. This place has tons of space and character, perfect as a family home, but also as an investment. Enjoy the rest of the tour. The property will be coming to market at offers over £1,250,000 with a guide up to £1,350,000. As always, if you'd like more details, please do get in touch and I'll see you soon.